Hi, and we're back. So before this video, I walk you through on how you can design printables like this worksheet and planner. So this time, what we're going to do is we're going to download this as a regular PDF and turn it into a fillable so that your audience won't have to print it, but still they can type in on their answers into these boxes right here. Okay, so let me show you now. I'm just gonna download this as a regular PDF. Okay, so yeah, both of the pages. Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna name it My Daily Worksheet. So once it's saved, all you need to do is go to Adobe Acrobat DC. This is a different program that I use to turn it into a fillable. So there are different platforms, but this is like the mostly used and the industry standard program that is being used. So once you get familiar with this, it would be easy for you to use other programs because they just work the same. So let me just pull up my Acrobat right here and then open that file we just downloaded. So let me go into my folders. So I do a lot of this with my different clients because instead of printing the material, they just download a PDF and start working on the PDF. Where's my desktop? Here. Okay. So let's open that up. Okay, so now we've got it open. Okay, so right now when you click on that, you can just you can just highlight the text, but you cannot do anything. But what we're trying to achieve here is that when your audience got your PDF, when they click on this box, they'll be able to type in their answer into this box. So let's do that. So I'm gonna go right here on my tools on the right side. So it says find tools. So this is your create PDF, combine files, edit PDF, export PDF, organize pages. But we're gonna go ahead and make this fillable, so you need to choose the one that says prepare form. Okay, and then just hit on start. I'm not changing my document, so I'm just gonna click on start, and it will do a bit of a scan. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now here's what we can do. So right here, okay, so it actually created like a text box already, but I don't want that, so I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, there. Okay, so right here we want this as a text box where they can type in their answer. So I'm gonna click right here at text and place it right here. Okay, then you can name, you can put a field name on this box right here, but I was just gonna leave it as is, which is text 1. I'm good with that. Then you can check the one that says if it's a required field, then you can put a check on that. Then I'm gonna do another one for the second box. Okay, and yep, leave it as is. It's a text 2. Okay, and notice the other options right here. So you could actually do a checkbox, a tick box, or radio buttons, and then you could also add a list, drop downs, and an OK button. You could also put in here, like make this box where they can add an image to this field. So let me just show you. So when they hit on this, they'll just click on that and they'll be able to upload an image and it will save on the PDF. Okay, so we don't want that, so we're gonna delete this. Okay, so just click on the text again. Okay, there you go. And lastly on this one, so okay, there. So now how does this work on your audience end? So I'm gonna do a preview. So right now I am on my audience end, on your viewers end. So when I view your worksheet, then you have like series of questions for me and I want to answer them. So I'm just gonna click on this text box right here and then put in my answer. No, because I don't know the answer. See, they can just answer through it, and they can move into the next box to the next question, blah blah blah, and then the other one and the other one. Now let me continue editing this one. Just gonna erase that, so I'm gonna close it and go back right here. So once you're done adding your text boxes, you need to make sure that you save this on a proper PDF file format. So it's going to be an extended PDF. It's called extended PDF. So you just go to File, Save as Other, and then choose Reader Extended PDF and choose Enable Commenting and Measuring. This means that when they actually this one, enable more tools, when they fill in the format, it saves whatever they type into this box. Because if you don't, then just save it as a regular PDF, they won't be able to save those that they've added to your text box. So their answers, when they download it again, the answers won't be showing on the text box. So you need to save it as an extended PDF. So let me just do it again. So File, Save as Other, then go to Reader Extended PDF and enable more tools, which includes Form, Fill, and Save. Okay, so I'm gonna save it now and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so let me just put it here, fillable. Okay, so we're done. Now let me just go back to my browser. Okay, let me just open my desktop real quick. Okay. So my daily worksheet fillable, and I want to open this on my browser. Open with, okay. So I wanted to show you how it looks like when it's already a downloaded PDF on your audience end, and once they answer that, let me also show you how it looks like and once they save it. So I'm gonna say right here, yes. I'm gonna move no, yes, blah blah blah, like that. This one we haven't made this as a fillable, so I'm just gonna leave that one. I can't do anything on those boxes because we did not add a text box on that. Okay, so once they're done, they can go ahead and download this again as another PDF, or they can print it. So if they print it, it will look like this. So just a regular PDF with their answers on the box, then they can print it. They could also save this back as a PDF. And then I'm gonna say underscore answered. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay, and this is how it will look like. This is how the answered file will look like. Okay. Let me just refresh this. Okay, so my daily worksheet answered, then I'm gonna open this again on my browser. All right, there you go. See, the text that you put in on the field were saved. So that is why it's very important that you save your PDF as an extended PDF, so that your audience will be able to save the PDF with their answers on it. Right. Well, I hope this comes in very helpful. Let us know if you have questions. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.